So in this video we are going to see the string commands which we have discussed in the previous video, where we have written these commands in Redis CLI. But in this video we are going to learn how we can write those commands in the Node.Js. For that, open your Visual Studio Code, and now before jumping to the code, I will install one module, that is nodemon. So every time I don't have to write the command node index.js. So nodemon will run the nodemon. So it will detect that if there is any change in our JS file. If it is, then it will restart the file itself. Okay, once the nodemon is installed, simply you have to give npx nodemon index.js. So here I had did an simple one where you can see redis.set, and we are setting a key value, and then I'm doing a get. So you can see that here I'm getting as a James. Now we'll learn about how to set a key which is going to expire in the 5 seconds. So simply you have to do redis.set in this case, and now so let do a set, and then I'm going to give a key as an address, and now I will give one object to street. And now we have to set the seconds so that it will get expire, but before that we need to tell that I am going to give expiry time, and here you have to define your expiry, how much times you want to get this address to be expire. Now let's see whether we are able to store or we are able to save the value. I am doing a save command s, and you see that Node.js is restarted. As I told you that once there is a change or once you are doing a save, it will get restart. So you can see it is in the line number 12 console. I am using console, so it is giving me the value 1 oblique 2. But if you will rerun the file, it will again give you the value, because in this case you are again setting the value. So for that, to check whether our value is in the db or not, so you need to comment this line, and then you need to do a save. Once you do a save, and now you can see the null is coming, so which means our redis key is expired after the 5 seconds. So I will revert back the change. Now if you want to increment the address, so let me first again copy the above line, and we'll give a simple address. So now I want to use the increment command, so I will be doing redis, and here you have to simply give the key which will be in our string. Okay, now I will do a print for that, and before that let me comment this. Now I'm doing a save. Let's see our value is incremented or not. So you can see I had set it with 1, but in the console you can see I'm getting a 2, which means this increment command is worked properly, and I am able to increment the address. So now we're going to check how many keys are in my Redis. So I will be do the redis.keys, and then after I can give a simply star, since it returns as a promise. So in that case we can simply do then. So we need to wait for the functions to be execute, and since it's returning a one array which will hold the all the keys present in my system in my db. So but just simply write the console log, and inside that you can give the result, and now you can see that our address and name is printed. So these are the two keys which we have. So first was the name and another is address. Let me comment all this. So now we are going to learn how to write the del command in the Node.js. So for that we'll simply do redis.del, which is the delete command. And now here we have to give the similar way we have used in the CLI. So there we can use name, and we have again created a one more key for us, that is address. So you can comma, you can define the address. In this way we'll be able to get whether our keys are deleted. So for that I will just write the code. I will cut that code from above. So if it is deleted successful, then the address will not get printed. In that place we'll get a null. So we are able to see we are getting a null, so which means our address and the name is deleted. Now we are going to see the how we can set the multiple key values in a one command. So for that we have Redis and set. So similarly Redis dot and set we need to give, and then we can simply give the name its and then its value James, then again address 1/2 string. I'm going to use the mget to check all the keys which are set above, and we'll see that what all the values are there. So we need to give name, and then we can give another key which is address. We need to print that, so I'm giving a callback function, and here you can give console log and then simply a result. So let me first comment out all this first code. Okay, now I will do a save. So here you can see name comma address is coming, so which is James, and the address which we have set 1/2 street. Since we are getting the multiple values, so your result will be in an array. So in this way we can use our all other string commands in the Node.js. So in the next video we are going to discuss about hashes data types in the Redis, and we'll be writing the code all in our Redis client.